Another stance that we can train is the lady horse stance. So for lady horse stance, we start from horse stance, crossing one leg over, and then turning. So right over left, turn, right over left, turn, right over left, turn, left over right, turn. And then we have right behind the left, turn. Left behind the right. And lady horse stance. So lady horse stance is a form that looks like this. All right. So from horse stance, either crossing over the right or stepping behind, depending on what direction you're going to be moving your opponent.